Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a component library from Bootstrap to Tailwind UI detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the Bootstrap component you wish to transfer to Tailwind UI. Take note of the existing HTML structure used in the Bootstrap component. Examine any associated CSS classes applied to the Bootstrap component. Make a list of the functionalities and behaviors of the Bootstrap component. Next, review the Tailwind UI documentation to find equivalent utilities for layout and styling. Start with the HTML structure in Tailwind by creating a similar layout. Replace Bootstrap classes with Tailwind classes based on the intended design. Ensure you incorporate responsive utilities from Tailwind to maintain the component's adaptability. Next, address any JavaScript functionalities that may be tied to the Bootstrap component. If the Bootstrap component relies on JavaScript, consider replacing it with Tailwind's compatible alternatives or custom JavaScript code. Test the new Tailwind component for responsiveness and functionality. Review the final output and ensure it meets your original design expectations. Make any necessary adjustments to spacing, colors, or typography using Tailwind's utility classes. Once satisfied, document the process and any challenges faced during the transfer. Finalize the code by optimizing performance and ensuring all styles are correctly applied. Your component is now successfully transitioned from Bootstrap to Tailwind UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.